Hello, this is Emily and welcome back to Sweet With Me. For today's show, we will be baking some walnut cookies. Stay along for the journey if you dare. So what you will need for today is broken walnuts, and they could be whatever size you want. I prefer them very small. You'll need baking soda, baking powder, you'll need sugar, salt, butter, an egg, and all-purpose flour. You will also be needing baking sheet, and you will need a teaspoon and a tablespoon, and you will need a plate, 2 bowls, and something to stir it with. I prefer something that's faster, or you can always use this. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, of course, is wash your hands. I have already done that. So the second step is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And well, the third step I'll say is you're gonna need half a cup of butter. You're gonna need 1 egg and half a cup of sugar. So the first thing you're gonna do is put the half a cup of butter inside of a bowl and with the half a cup of sugar, and you are going to mix them, and then you're going to, after they're fully mixed, then you're going to beat an egg, in other words stir, and then after that you're gonna add it into the mixture and mix again. And this is well stirred, you're going to get a tablespoon, and you are going to add 2 tablespoons to the mixture of beaten eggs, to the mixture of sugar and butter. After this, you are going to stir once again until it is well mixed inside of this mixture. So now that you have done all of that, the next step is to, first of all, you have to get 2 cups, of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon this time, not tablespoon, of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And you have to mix them all together once again and beat them until they are finally mixed, and then we will move on to the next step. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is, after this mixture is finished, which I'm sure it's okay, it's done. We're gonna mix this into here and oops, I'm very clumsy, sorry. Boop, boop. And we're gonna mix this together until, again, it is beaten and is, well, this is gonna be our dough, so until it looks like dough, until it is completely stirred and it looks whipped. Okay, so now after we have been mixing this, what I'm gonna do is get half a cup of water. I forgot to say that we would need water, but we need water. Half a cup of water into this mixture, so it will be more of a doughy texture. If not, it will be too dry. We will also, well, first you're gonna mix that, and then we're gonna be needing half a cup of broken walnuts and a pint of salt. And we're gonna smush the walnuts here. You're gonna have them as big as you want, but I like them really small, so it won't bother me when I'm eating the cookies. So let's get to it. Now after this is actually mixed, what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this dough onto a baking sheet. So I would just set it here, and well, we're going to transfer it onto here, and what we're going to do is make it into a disc, and I will do that shortly. And we're going to let it lay here for 30 minutes. So we will wait. Put it into a disc-like form, kind of, a very crooked disc. What we're gonna have to do is wait for 30 minutes and let it lay somewhere where it's room temperature. And now we wait. I'm back. Okay, so now that it has been 30 minutes, the longest 30 minutes in the world, I actually cleaned a little because if not, it would end up looking like a tornado, and we don't want that. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some dough and we are gonna roll it into a tiny ball. And I don't think it matters how much you make. You can make them as big as you want. I like making them rounded, so it's kind of just like I grab like a little bit of a handful, not really, and I just make them into a bowl. Okay, oh, before I do that, actually, I'm just going to lay it over here, and you will continue repeating this until you get all the balls of dough you want. Okay, now I have put them here. I put baking sheet on the bottom of them so I can put them inside the oven so they won't get stuck to this. And now what I'm doing is I kind of made them into like little kind of cylinders. You could do them any shape you want. But what I'm doing now is just making lines to make them look cute. And then I will pop them into the oven. Now I have put them into the oven right there. And now we will just wait for 18 minutes. And while we wait, let me just show you my friend, the cactus.
Oh my God, look at this. Look at his spikes.
Okay, that's enough. We'll be back later. Okay. Now after the 18 minutes are over, what you have to do is put the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and we put bake again, and we wait another 13 minutes. It has been the 13 minutes of wait. Now we take the cookies out of the oven. Oops, it's kind of smoky. Carefully, you don't want to get burned. They look pretty brown. Nice. And now what we will do is wait for them to cool off. Yes!
I guess
Well, this is the end of my video, and here are my walnut cookies. And well, this is always a nice treat to have for the holidays.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
My family always likes having these, so I always make them. And I hope you come back to Sweet with me.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.